Alam nyo ba that cats can taste sweet things? Hi guys, Doc Ara here. Para ba naman yan, sweet pa man din ako. Charot. So technically, ang mga cats natin, they don't have receptors for sweetness. Or that doesn't mean na hindi sila sweet creatures. Meron silang genetic mutation, specifically yung TAS1R2 gene, wherein non-functioning ang magiging sweet receptors nila. Since our cats are obligate carnivores, technically hindi nila need i-detect ang carbohydrates or sugars sa diet nila or sa food. Pero Doc, bakit naman sa video kumakain ng cake yung pusa? Well, hindi ibig sabihin mahilig sila sa sweets. It just means your cat enjoys the other taste of the sweet treat. Baka may onting alat, or yung texture, or yung fat content ang na-enjoy niya. And take note, cake isn't generally safe for cats. Pwede kasi may raisins, chocolate, or artificial sweeteners which is toxic for them. So better yet, give them cake that is pet safe. Pero kung ganito ang pusa nyo, tapos mahilig sila sa sweet things, hindi naman dapat ibig sabihin bigyan sila palagi ng sweet items or sweet food. They don't process carbohydrates that well. It can be bad to their health and may further lead into complications like diabetes or even obesity. So if you have other concerns regarding your cat or may mga tanong kayo about your cat, don't forget to follow me here. Don't forget to consult your veterinarian.